Okay, so what did you do for your picture today in your picture day?
I did this.
That's the face you made?
Kinda.
Let me see again. Let me see. Okay, pretend like this is the camera and I'm about to take a picture. Okay, ready, Marco? 3, 2, 1. That's the face you made? Let me see.
I can do it. I'll do it.
You did that with your mouth? Let me see.
Try to get enough of this. I'm gonna look like this. I didn't look.
You did that?
I tried, but I didn't do it.
Let me see. Look at me. That's the face you made?
Oh no, it's not good looking. Sorry.
You didn't really do that, did you?
I did.
Let me see. Look at me again. Pretend like I'm the cameraman. Okay, Marco. 3, 2, 1. Say cheese.
We didn't say anything.
Oh, he didn't say anything. What did he say?
He said, okay, ready, Marco? Go.
Say it again.
What? What?
You look so funny.